Guess what, folks? Here's pointing to the sky. It is a rainy morning, cold, rainy morning in College Park. Let me see if the drops are on my face. Good morning, folks. This is Shippy the Explorer. Well, I'm almost like the mailman. Rain, snow, or sunshine, or flood, or hurricane can't stop Shippy the Explorer from broadcasting to you, sending you a tape on this day. Welcome to the station of information and genealogy and experience and adventure and exploration. Good morning, good night, good afternoon, wherever you are, but especially if in the United States, it's a good morning. Cold, rainy day. But that can't stop us. Don't let all those traumas, drawbacks affect you, because it's a gloomy and doomy morning. Let the sunshine flow in your mind and get up and get a cup of tea or coffee and something to eat and walk around and do your meditation and let's go. It's another day. Well, Shippy the Explorer is running late this morning. We fell back into our lateness. Not late, but the experience of where you're just at the edge of the hour and you're just going to make the time. We went to bed reasonable time, but had to get up during the night so to take care of some family matters. So nobody's sick, just baby wasn't sleeping, so we had to deal with that. So but we're ready to go, and so do you. And if you're on the road already for Thanksgiving, safe travel, and make sure that you're alert and be safe as you go along to see the family, because they don't want to see you injured. They want to see you nice and rosy, as we say in Jamaica. So we look forward to today's tape, where we capture any adventure we come across, but we also have the construction progress to look at, and that's our stable default. But other than that, we see what else we can capture to bring you. Well, as I said, the birds are quiet, but they're somewhat quiet. I don't see the squirrels running around, so they're sleeping late. Right. So as we go along, we'll bring you highlights of this part of the world, and we'll hopefully entertain you and inform you today. So if you like those things, do share, do make comments, and do subscribe if we are doing a wonderful job. We just want to build the stations with you together so that you're informed as we release these tapes. All right, so see you as we go along. Now, this is a miracle. I rarely end up being at the front of the line at this intersection. This is a first for a long time. Now you can see front here. I have front seat in viewing of the traffic, of the madness, the activity of United States, and everybody going to work. And here we are. We finally capture the triplet bike. Here we are. There they go. They think they are in India. Parents must be a diplomat. Because you see in India, you see all that thing. Four persons to the bike. And in the motorbike, you see all 5 people with all the goods and all sort of things. So There we are on the windshield. It's proof that it's raining, and we just clean it off, and we're ready to roll. So it's regardless of what happens in this country, folks. People just have to get going and do their stuff, you know. Just have to do their stuff. You have to get up and get going. There we are. Life is but a dream. Go ahead. You're singing. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. So we just row in our boat down the stream. And the fiddle. Go ahead. Over the moon, the little dog laughed to see such fun, and the dish run away with the spoon. A diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such fun, and the dish run away with the spoon. You sing now. Yay!
Sing. Hey.
Diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the car jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such fun, and the dish ran away with the spoon. And the fiddle, the car jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such fun, and the dish ran away with the spoon. So the dish ran away with the spoon, with all the food, in the dish. There we go. The little dog laughed to see such fun, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Jump over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such fun, and the dish ran away with the spoon. So just entertainment, folks. We travel with the little ones, you never know. Just have fun to talk, sing. Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
Humpty, Humpty said the wall. Humpty, Humpty had before. Oh, success, oh, Humpty, and then
So welcome to the entertainment, folks. The 2.5-year-old one is singing her heart out for us this morning. Seems like a number of people traveling for Thanksgiving is on the road already, or on the road already, because not too packed, but somewhat busy this morning. There we go. Down. Well, believe it or not, folks, we're having English weather today. A few minutes ago it was raining and damp and cold, and now the sun is trying to peek through the clouds and trying to peek through the trees to reach the ground. So this is what we have in England. It's 1 minute it's cold and wet and windy, next minute it's warm, the next minute is, you know, gets hot, next minute you have to have your umbrella again because it's raining again. That's what's called English weather. So we're back home, but so the little rain has really refreshed the neighborhood, and that's a good thing. The grass, the trees and plants, well, plants and everything. Everybody needs a little water now and then. So everybody needs a little water. So we back at home, and the workers are not here yet, but I guess they're out buying material and will soon be here. Where's that here? Oh, okay. Trevor, the contractor, is here and rolling in. Just in time.
What's
Morning.
up? Yeah, man, I have to stop and get all kind of thing.
Me know.
Hello? Hello?
Uh-oh.
Especially the vent for the,
Morning.
Yeah.
Hey.
the pieces for the vent.
Right.
Yeah. Get
Just-
those vent, Abu.
Just in time. We're rolling up to
Yeah.
part of the tape.
Yeah.
Ah.
I thought it would be a little bit colder than this.
It was colder, but
Yeah.
then it got
Right,
warm
so-
up. Yeah.
The goal is don't try to get the. Don't put those inside, Abu.
Okay.
No, leave them out here, bro. Yeah.
Yeah.
The goal is try to see how I'll line up the floor then and then see if we can get the electric on.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna figure out where that switch is. I think that switch is either for outside or
This
one of
light
these.
work.
Yeah.
Um,
I don't know. We have
I
one
don't
there.
think it's for outside. I know it's one of those plugs.
Okay.
Yeah. So my guy was telling me that you were asking about changing the trim on the door.
Oh, yeah. With me? Oh, you talk about something here.
Yeah, they cut it out, but that
Oh.
but this, you can't change the door trim. You can't. That's what I'm saying. But you can't do nothing to it unless you're changing the whole
think
door
it's-
frame. Remember I told you that.
It's on that.
That's asking for trouble. I'm telling you.
Okay.
So it's best to put a coat of paint over it and leave it till you're ready to change the door.
Whew. All right. Good.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, if you have the time, I can put a coat of paint on it.
All right. Right into the kitchen.
See?
Good. Wow. Looks like a Highway 66.
Yeah.
Good. All right.
All right. So right now, so what I'm gonna do, right, to get my snooter, I need this drain right here. See that?
Yeah.
Right in the center, 48. So I need 24, because you want 48.
Yeah.
48 is in the center of that pipe. The thing with this thing here,
Yeah. Half inch. Yeah.
I was trying to say cut the pipe, man, but I don't know. I'm gonna go and get another drain. I was gonna let him cut this pipe, but I think I'm gonna leave it. But to get this drain in, that's a bucket down there on your ceiling. That's look like a bucket, you know? That's a bucket on your ceiling, cause I might have to cut the ceiling out to get this in. To screw this part in.
What do you mean? If you move
This
the
trap?
insulation.
Oh, this trap right here won't actually gonna actually be right here, but I might have to raise this up, man, because I think if that strap the way this is, the way that trap gonna stay, man, that thing gonna be exactly into this. Yeah, and what I gotta do is
Oh, it's gonna be in the joist.
gonna run this pipe straight. Yeah, I gotta go and get another trap. Cause that trap need to go down lower. So when this come, it can drop. So, all right, he can screw that up, man. So you see everything here is good, right?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna let him go ahead and
Screw up this side.
screw up everything right here till I come back.
Okay.
That'll show. So all you gotta do is turn this, and I come back and get a clamp for that. So you're just gonna put this back right here. See that? Put screws here and here.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. I get a clamp for that when I come back. You drop one piece.
This can't work here.
No, I want you to put one piece center here first. Small piece here.
Okay.
14 here, cross here, center. Okay, this piece that come in here, from here, don't have nothing here.
You
See?
have no header.
You understand? So you put one piece from here, come here, it's good.
And there's none here too.
You understand? Yeah. No, this is good.
Okay.
That's how I'm gonna move. Come on, run this from here, so come up there, so that now I'm gonna move. Okay, going across.
So what am I nail on to?
What? This? No, you screw on the bottom of this and just bring it up. So we do this, so. One 2x4 there, so you know.
Right.
Yeah. So that more than good there, so.
So you don't need a 2x4.
You might put a 2x, you might put this right across here.
And then butt it.
And then put another 2x4
butt
from
it.
here, so go up to that.
Right. And then butt it underneath here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, Abu, go ahead, put that and start. You can Abu, you can put the insulation here. Okay, seal this back off. Don't worry to cut. I'm thinking whether I should cut this pipe or not, man. I want to see if the trap goes straight or if it's gonna work.
We'll not seal that yet.
No, you can't put this one. Put this piece in can leave, then we'll come back.
Okay. Oh boy.
Alright, let me go and get that trap. So you need a trap, couple 90, and couple clamp. Give me that key. Give me that key.
And you have studs?
Yeah, man, I want it possible. Okay. Well, I think that's what we need.
Uh-oh. Here's somebody that's trained.
Yeah.
Or is Abdul? Is a young man straining?
It's like me there lose a while ago.
Yeah.
Who me running to a Sydney? You remember Sydney?
Sydney?
Yeah, we used to near the crossroad.
No, me not. Me might know his face, but me don't know.
Yeah, man. I think you know.
Okay.
Big man. He retired. He used to work with me one time.
Right.
I saw him before him run into man.
Wow.
I said, what?
It's
a 42 years saying Larry.
Alright, cool.
No, you know what? I think I have to get that thing them out to cut it because coming out more man 48 men are too close to the toilet.
Okay, alright.
You see where they now?
Yeah. Now you can get the wall out of that. You can get the wall.
No, I'm putting the wall now go here, so.
The wall of that there?
No man, the wall now go here, so I'm going the seat.
Only the seat. Then we're going to prevent the water from flashing on the on the toilet.
What toilet? You know, put a glass there, so.
Oh, is a glass you put in there? Oh, the glass. Yeah, the entrance here. So yeah.
That's what we're talking about.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I forget.
Yeah, so let's say from this a tile. Right? This I go ride up over here, so.
Yeah.
This are just there, so now, but by the time I put the piece in here, so, on the truss wall, and what is subfloor with this ride up.
Yeah.
It just a ride in where it just a bump, where you ride over.
Yeah.
So this need to level, because that the guy tell me, the tile guy.
Yeah, it must level.
Well, say no must, it must level, but he tell me to put this.
Level.
Because, is that right? I don't know the reason, but say.
Well, it controls the flow. Give you a constant flow.
So now, the shower base there, 48. So we're not to the can cut it on each side. So the seat now, you're going to build the seat now, come here, so.
Yeah.
But the question is, you want me to carry the seat where it stop exactly beside this, or because otherwise you stop exactly beside this, and then the glass, this, you have a piece coming up here, and the glass just sit on top of here, so and just run across.
Well, you'd have to seal it.
What?
You have to seal between the glass and the.
No, the glass is good. Everything will go up on here, so I go seal with the smoother.
Yeah. But if you put the glass there and then put the seat right up to the.
Yeah,
you have a gap.
So the glass are going up on here, so.
You have a gap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The must. If you let the seat in, so.
Yeah.
Then the water will go down on the floor in there, so I don't know what you want to do it. What
No.
the thing say?
Go
Normally we
go
don't
right
have
up to
the
it.
come to
Go
it.
right up to it, and then you don't have no water problem.
Well,
No.
you don't got a water problem anyway. Everything gonna seal up, but it's
Yeah, it flow. All the flow
Yeah.
from the seat come this way.
okay.
Yeah, good.
All right, so
All right.
when I run go get this, because I know I seal up them whole day and put a
Oh, me think you get it one time. A
what?
different place.
Huh?
A different place you get it.
Why drain?
Yeah.
I see him place man,
Oh,
but I center.
okay.
Cause so now when
No, me thought you get the drain. You say you have to go get it. Me thought you get it when you went and got this. The
no
boost
man, that
neck.
drain that come with the snow that have to buy that with the snow shower man.
Okay. All right.
The drain we go in at that. This is just the drain line pipe. That have to come back out and put in the drain and all.
Yeah. So when you drop the drain, like the long and drain, it go from that joist to the other joist.
Which one?
It go from. It's safe enough. Oops, it go from here to here.
What?
The drain, or it go this way.
No man, it's a 4-inch drain.
Yeah.
You don't want the long drain now because
Right.
you do the long drain. Remember what we were talking about?
So it's
the
a
long
round drain or
No, it's square,
square.
but it's 4.
So it can come right here. So this won't stop you.
No man,
Okay.
no, cause that drain I go sit up in the tray.
Okay, like that.
The round part I go down upon this and they sit up in the tray or the shower.
Yeah.
So the drain sit up in the drain of the shower.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Yeah, and then now everything does seal in.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
everything slope towards that.
That's what this thing here is now.
Yeah.
It already have this small slope where you can hardly tell say it's slope.
Yeah.
That's why now with this have to be in the center, because you cut one part and it no center, then you cut off one part of the slope.
Yeah.
So when it's center now, it's slope. So but now when I have to go, I have to cut it both sides there so.
But it's plastic, right?
No man.
It's ceramic or what?
No, it's like forgot what they call it.
Okay.
Yeah, you know like I don't like plastic. I'm gonna put a piece of drywall here.
Okay.
From here come to this pipe. Unless you wanna first of all you need a wood here. This no good. Or you cut this back to this stud. You understand what I'm saying? I would suggest you cut this back.
To the stud.
You remember no Larry, we don't have no the thing when you not talk, the tray.
Yeah.
We don't have it, you know.
Uh-oh.
Cause I can't go here so. You put it over there so it's too far.
So why
You
can't
see
go
the
there?
right or so, I don't know if you want to, yes, I don't know.
You're right. So why can't go there?
But, well, you're not the right way seat there. You could have go here so.
Yeah, because the seat below it, it not stop you from.
So you want me cut out here so then and then put one.
Actually, if you have a seat, it's supposed to be down, do like the seat down the bottom
What?
or midway. If the seat is there,
You have to put in the seat first and then you see what going up.
right. So if you have a seat right there, you sit down here, so you don't want to stretch way up for the soap.
No, No, you know, I know when you sit down.
Oh.
You know what I mean? It's, yeah, can you have a stand up? You tell me how you, whichever way is convenient for you. I can put it.
The seat is for somebody who you sit down and bathe yourself.
Yeah.
So you have to have the soap dish in reachable.
And a really soap dish, you know, is a big space me and make where you can put like different stuff.
Yeah, word reachable.
Yeah.
So you have to sit down and reach it. And you
If
can't
that's what
stretch
you want it, I'll do it that way.
bring
you
it
know,
down.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You bring it down because if the person is, I don't know, maybe go so extreme.
Cut the drywall.
You can't.
You can put drywall here. Abu. Here.
Whoops.
You can put drywall here. Well, we don't have to put a bracket there because we're not going to do anything there. So we're good.
You know,
This is screw down.
Yes.
you don't want to put on a metal there.
No, we're not. Nothing now go here, so. Maybe from the outside.
Okay.
I just say snow that shower go here, so we have screw them on this.
Alright. Okay. Looking good. Come in.
I may want to run, go pick up, you know, but I don't know if Abu can.
You need to cut this in this way and then put the drawer here.
You don't have to. What I need is to find where this one is, and then cut it out in the center, go up, and then put one piece here
Yeah.
instead of pieces. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So let me see if it's 16 in center or more. This look like it's more. That's 17 in center, bro. I'm wondering if it's.
Ain't on
the
a
same.
stud finder.
Yeah, whatever I use that.
Me old school too. We tack it. The teacher Abdul how to find the stud without.
Yeah, that's right. So that's look like a 16 in center. Yeah, 16 about. Right now I said 15. Make a mark right there, bro. Put a mark right there. Take one long level and put one mark all the way to the ceiling and see if you find it. I would suggest you cut a small part first.
Okay.
Cut a small part right here, make sure it's there.
Okay.
But we used to, well, me not
Use
teach
the
him.
jigsaw.
We cut one at top and one at bottom and then level it in, plumb it in.
Yeah, you put the mark in your level from here. I don't see that find the center. Here? Is this here?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. You'll have to make this mark straight, buddy.
Okay.
So the level was straight with that mark.
Oh, your knife. Yeah. Well,
I want that
I
in
got
the
my whole school. My saw.
Yeah, where's the
The saw.
we have the saw. We don't want it.
Oh, this not tacked down yet.
No, we're not screwing down it. Let's see.
Screw
We're not
down
screw
yes. To move.
Yeah, man, we're not screw it, so that's not problem. Abu, where is this? Is this screw down?
Yes.
Where is the 2x4?
No, this side don't have the 2x4.
Which side? You don't have 2x4 here?
No.
You gotta put 2x4 there.
Because you have a two pipe here.
What?
The pipe water line and this pipe the drain it here and this way. If you need to put the wood here, that's a
No. We gotta notch it out. You gotta put 2x4.
Let me take it, you see.
I know what you're talking about. We gotta have 2x4 here. This no good here. Look at this.
Gotta move.
Let me take
It's
it.
moving.
Okay.
Alright, let's screw it this way then, so that's no problem.
Okay. Good. Ooh, whoop.
Run, go pick up that thing. Because tomorrow you don't want to go. You don't want to leave yourself to go do that. And then we come back now. If we come back by 3 o'clock, let's build that. And you have it to line up. You have it to sit it down and show me a deal with it.
Yeah. Okay.
72 inch long.
Well, you cut the board and never put it in.
No, because I say it up when him, but see, him I think him turn it one way and throw it above for the pipe.
Yeah.
Him not tell himself say he can knock out.
You have to rip it. Rip it down.
Just knock it out. Whatever way I deal with it.
Yeah.
Or
Because when I get fatter, Abdul, when I come in here, you'll be here.
yeah, you know I get my fat on. You have to prevent that as much as I can.
I know. I drink too much condensed milk.
You love it.
Oh yeah. That's the only sugar me take. And them I tell me about no take it.
I
Can't stop here, man.
Only sugar me take too.
Condensed milk? Hey.
But how me do it now, it's just a teaspoon.
Oh. But we take 1 cup of sweet coffee maybe in the morning or in the
1 cup of sweet tea, like what kind of tea?
Me not drink tea no more. Tea, when we find the tea make me sick. Because what tea does, it dehydrate the body.
Oh.
And when you dehydrate your body fainting.
Oh.
I find some me I get lightheaded.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
So you don't drink water all daytime?
I drink water, but not the tea. The doctor me discover says the tea causes me to be sick.
I never heard around there before. Take it from here, so
Yeah, tea go
this way.
dehydrate.
Hey. Here. Take out up here, Abu.
This have this screw. This screw is damaged.
What screw?
The screw
One
in.
screw.
One screw there.
Hold on, buddy. Hold on, Abu. Where is the screw?
Right there.
Yeah.
I told you not to use those screws, man. Where is the bit?
Finish before. Like,
Yeah, but
for
you
that
get
like
some
this.
screws. Them screws, that bit is damaged. You use those screws, it's a problem.
Flex.
I mean, hit them screws. Where is the screw at?
Right at the corner there. Yeah.
Nah, see,
In plug up
I
there.
think it look like.
The ply, yeah. Plywood get.
Did you countersink the screw here?
Yeah.
Where is that?
It inside. One it inside.
Yeah. Man, I need to see it to see how the bit is going. This is bent.
This one is here. One is here. One is here. That's two.
I use the I just cut it back. So.
Oh, shit. Okay, I don't the screw damage, man. You know nothing. You see it, you know nothing.
Okay.
You know nothing. That's what the problem is. You see them two, they know nothing. Okay, so push the insulation down. Let me see what you're talking about. Push the insulation. What's this?
Yeah, that's why I'm gonna talk with the pipe there.
Move this. Let me see. Move the insulation.
Pipe there.
Okay. All right. So, all right. So Abu, if the pipe is there, turn the wood sideways. Turn the wood sideways.
Okay.
Where's the wood?
One would it here. Check that if that's good.
You gotta mark this pipe so you don't put screws in there. Get a longer piece of wood. It have to go past right there.
Okay.
Cause this is good right here. Can't use this. We can't. I don't want to use those nails. Okay, those nails is longer than the plywood. You understand? If you don't go in a joist, it's no good.
Okay.
You understand what I'm saying or no?
Yeah, but
What I'm saying?
this you don't need to use that here. Like
No. If this don't go in a stud,
uh-huh.
then it don't work straight in the plywood.
Okay.
Why? Because you see this right here?
Uh-huh.
You see how this is down? It's not threaded all the way here.
Yeah.
Too long.
You understand?
The shaft
So
is
for
too
it to
long.
hold in the plywood, if this once it pass the plywood here, it's going to go freely.
Feeling. Okay.
Understand?
Yeah.
So it have to be in a joist. That's why those are not holding anything.
Yeah.
Okay?
Too long.
The next maybe I check in the box.
Alright, I gotta go get something, Abu. So what I want you to do, okay? I want you to put a long piece of wood here. I'll give you some screws. Go ahead and get the yellow box. You have some 2 inches screw in there like this, or some of these. I want you to use these. Put one wood from here, go all the way to this one. Okay? And then screw this back down. No screw here. Put a mark here that you don't put screws here. I don't want you screwing this pipe, understand? Okay, you screwing this pipe is a big problem. So look at this, right here. No screw here. Screw there is good, and screw go on is good. But no screw here. Okay?
This side can screw.
Yes, because this is all the way down here.
Okay.
Put the wood across here, go up there.
Okay.
Make sense?
Okay.
Yeah, flat. You need a measurement?
And then when you come
Yeah.
back, when you come back, you cut that out. Make a hole.
You're looking at the tree, top of the tree, folks. In this part of the region, each year, every year this time of this around November, we have this strong wind that blows off all the dead limbs on the trees. So that's, apart from the leaves, then it's another problem of trying to eradicate the lawn of sticks. So you'll find that instead of blowing, we have to rake these sticks. You can see what they look like. Dozens of small pieces, and sometimes big pieces too. But the work, just to show you that the work is cut out for you in this time of the year. You know, you have to do all sort of things. You can leave it till the end of till fall or winter, but when the snow gets into it, if it snows and the snows fall, it soaks these things into the lawn, so it makes it more difficult to get rid of it. So just an example of showing you what Shippy the Explorer continues the day, showing the construction progress, and then showing where we are in. If I want something to do and keep occupied and it has to be done, then I just have to do it. So that's another chore around the owning a property in America, in this part of the region. You love the region, then you have to do the work or pay to get it done. So get the exercise, and I do it. I just get my wheelbarrow, rake it, take my time, pick them up. Okay. Well, that's the extent to where we reached today. I don't think they'll it's going to get material. But, wow. Drywall. Put on this. Okay. Well, you can see the shape of what's happening in here, folks. The bathroom is getting into shape, and that's the drain, and wow. So all right, so I don't think we'll have much more to show today. Maybe tomorrow we'll see where we go from here. Still need to turn off that light for me. And so if you've been following, you can see this will be a shower head. That will be a handheld. Yeah. And the drain will be right in the middle. All right. So until later on, we'll probably say if you or getting informed with this type of work, I'm happy. Well, that's good. Other than that, we'll show you more progress as we go along. So Shippy the Explorer is saying possibly that we may end this tape at this moment, and if any additional pieces come up, we'll show it. So like, share, and subscribe, folks. Like, share, and make comment. And I always say, take care of yourself and others as we go into this project together, or we go into Thanksgiving. He's a strong man. Oops.
Okay.
Right. Okay. All right. So from construction to food. Wow. Hopefully you guys are hungry. Cooking a storm. And it's not Thanksgiving yet. What do you say about yourself?
Are you ready to eat?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.